Hello students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 9 on chapter number 11 constructions, and today we are going to do exercise 11.2. Now question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeters, angle B is 75 and AB plus AC comes out to be 13 centimeters. Now you know very well how to construct 75. We have done it in the previous video, in the previous exercise. How to construct 60, 120, 75, 90 and so on. So I am not going to do that thing in detail. Just do the construction with the help of a compass 75 degrees on B, and your BC is 7 centimeters. Now after this, what you will do is you will draw a straight line as BX as a ray. On this line, you will cut 13 centimeters from your compass, putting your compass on B, cut an arc on BX as 13 centimeters and you will name it as D. After this, join DC, and on DC, considering the point D and C, draw the perpendicular bisector. If you see the two arcs cut, join that line with the help of a scale, a straight line. Wherever that line intersect at BD, that is known as A, and then join AC. So this becomes your required triangle ABC. So I just repeat, first draw a BC, draw 75 degrees, on B draw a straight line, mark it as X, and on that mark 13 centimeters, name it as D. Join DC, draw perpendicular bisector on DC. Wherever that line intersect on BD, that point is known as A. Join AC, ABC becomes the required triangle. Question number 2. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeters, angle B 45 and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now you know how to construct 45 degrees. First draw 90 degrees, its bisector becomes 45 degrees. So draw a line BC as 8 centimeters and on B construct 45 degrees. Now that line again mark it as X, BX is your ray, and I want now 3.5 centimeters on my compass. Cut it on BX, name that point as D. Join DC, and on DC again taking D and C as your point, compass point or center points, you will construct perpendicular bisector of this. Wherever that line meets DX, that point is known as A. Join AC, required triangle is formed as A, B and C. So you know, I repeat again, after making 45 degrees, you will draw a straight ray, that is BX, a straight line. But on that line, you will cut an arc of 3.5 centimeters, that is marked as D. So DC is your line, join together and draw perpendicular bisector on it. Wherever that line meets on BX, that point is known as A. Join AC, ABC becomes the required triangle. Next, construct a triangle PQR in which QR is 6 centimeters, angle Q is 60 and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeters. Now, for making a triangle, I should have the information PQ minus PR. Okay, so what happened is they have given us the information PR minus PQ. So if I do PQ minus PR, it becomes minus 2 centimeters. Minus 2 centimeters means my arc that I will cut on the line X, that will be downwards below QR. So let us begin this question and then you will understand it properly. Now here you will draw a line QR as 6 centimeters and on Q you will draw 60 degrees. So that line, draw a straight line and name it as QX. Now I want to cut PR minus PQ as 2 centimeters, which is not possible. So what I will do is I will write it as PQ minus PR. So it becomes minus 2 or it becomes negative, which means I will cut the arc below the line QR. So what you will do is you will extend XQ a little lower on it and take that centimeters and cut the point, it becomes D as a point. Now join the line DR. On DR, break perpendicular bisector. So wherever they meet on QX line, that point will be known as P, and join PR. So you got the required triangle PQR. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 30, angle Z is 90 and XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeters. Now in this question what we will do is we will create one more information using various other characters. So first of all we will draw a straight line AB whose measurements will be 11 centimeter. Okay, so don't worry. At the last we will get XYZ only as a triangle. First draw AB as your straight line which is 11 centimeters and take angle A as 30 degree and angle B as 90 degree, because in the question it is given to you is Y is 30, Z is 90. So you can take it either ways. Any one triangle as 30, any one triangle angle as 90 degree. So on A I will draw 30 degrees. I know it is the bisector of 60. So that becomes LAB becomes 30 degrees and angle MBA that I can easily form as 90 degrees. I know how to draw 90 degrees. Now after that what I will do is there the line which is there from LAB, that is your 30 degrees, and your line MBA, the angle formed becomes your 90 degrees. Now what you will do is from this also you will draw their bisectors. That means 30 degrees will become 15 and 90 will become 45. So if you see the line XA, XA is the bisector of angle LAB. XB is the bisector of MBA. So you have to draw the bisector, let it meet at X. Now after this what you will do is you will take the line XA. Let me show you. You will take the line XA and draw again the perpendicular bisector of XA. Let it cross the line AB. Name it as Y. Again XB as your point of your compass. Draw the perpendicular bisector. Wherever that line meets on AB, mark it as Z. So X point you already have and Y and Z you have formed with the perpendicular bisector, and thus we have got the triangle X, Y and Z. Question number 5. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeters and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeters. Now here let us draw a line segment BC whose measurement are 12 centimeters. So I have taken base BC as 12 centimeters and on B I am making 90 degrees because I have to make right angle triangle. So angle B is 90 degree and you draw a line BX as your ray. Now it is given to you that sum of its hypotenuse. So if I take my point A, AC will be the hypotenuse and the other side will be AB. So AC plus AB will be equal to 18 centimeters. So what I will do is on BX I will cut my arc of 13 centimeters and mark it as D. Now here join DC. On DC, you will again draw the perpendicular bisector taking D and C and the points. Wherever that line meets your BD, mark it as A. Join AC and ABC becomes your right angle triangle. That's all for this exercise 11.2. I hope you must have found it very easy. Please do 2-3 times practice. You will be able to draw it very nicely. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Take care children.